everyone, welcome back to my channel My Beauty Space, and this is me Shraddha. So today's video is going to be all about skincare. We all desire beautiful skin, but we hardly have the time and we hardly put in the effort. Clean up at home keeps your skin soft, supple and nourished, but following a high maintenance regime can be a little difficult. In this video I'll be sharing some simple yet effective routine to keep your skin healthy and glowing. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started.
So I'll be using 2 tablespoons of raw milk and I'll apply it all over my face with the help of a cotton pad. Raw milk is rich in B vitamins, alpha hydroxy acids, calcium and other potent antioxidants. It nourishes the skin cells and keeps the skin moisturized. If you've got acne prone skin, then it will gently exfoliate it and gradually cure the acne. It also helps in drawing out excess sebum from within the pores and tightens it. So I'll be applying it all over my face, and then I'll just leave it for 10 minutes. After it dries out completely, I'll go and wash my face and just pat it dry. Don't rub your face, just pat dry it. So here I'll mix all the ingredients and apply it on my face with the help of my fingers. We should never apply the scrub on dry skin, so I'm just spritzing some water. So red lentils or masoor dal exfoliates the skin, tightens the pores, brightens your skin and also removes tan. The second ingredient is rice flour, which soothes sunburns and prevents the skin from suntan. It is an excellent source of vitamin B, which helps in the production of new cells. So the third ingredient is honey, which is a naturally soothing and has healing properties. It works as a clarifying agent because it naturally opens up the pores, making them easier to unclog. The fourth ingredient is rose water, which has anti-inflammatory properties. It is a great cleanser and aids in removing oil and dirt from the clogged pores. I'll apply it properly and just with light hands I'm scrubbing. Don't put too much pressure. I'm using circular motions near my nose, the corners of my mouth. Just be gentle, don't put too much pressure. After 10 minutes, I'll wash my face and pat dry it. So for the face mask, I'll mix all the ingredients and apply it with the help of my fingers. So here I used gram flour or besan, which helps control excess sebum production and soothes the inflamed skin. Secondly, I used multani mitti or fuller's earth, which removes excess sebum and oil. It evens out skin tone and brightens complexion. If you are someone who has dry skin, then you can completely skip this. Thirdly, I used turmeric or haldi, which has anti-inflammatory qualities, which calms and soothes the skin. It also helps to reduce scars. Then I used curd, which has lactic acid and it helps in shedding the dead cells and also fights wrinkles. Apart from this, it also helps to moisturize the skin. Then I used lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps to reduce skin damage and premature aging. I also used honey, and I said the uses of honey before. It is naturally soothing and has healing properties. It's very helpful for the skin. So I'll apply it evenly all over my face. I'm not applying the face mask on my neck because I just had a shower. After it dries out completely, wash your face and pat dry it. So for toner, I'll be applying my Dabur Rose Water. So rose water, as I said before, has anti-inflammatory properties. It is also a great cleanser and it helps in removing oil and dirt from the clogged pores. I'll just apply the rose water with the help of a cotton pad, and I'll not wash it, I'll just leave it. So for the last step, that is moisturizer, I'm using an aloe vera gel, and this is the Patanjali aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel has cooling properties and is anti-inflammatory. It helps to retain the moisture. It is also rich in antioxidants and minerals. So I'll take a good amount of aloe vera gel and just massage it until it completely gets absorbed into my skin. Just lift your cheeks upwards, and there you have that naturally glowing skin. So you can do this once in a week. It's very effective, and all the ingredients I used are easily available at home.
So yeah guys, that was it for this video. If you guys want to see more of such videos, then please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for further notifications. See you soon in my next one. Till then, stay happy and keep glowing.